Hey guys, so I've decided to come to the Bali Bird Park today and it's incredible so far. It's a sanctuary for birds, like birds, exotic birds going extinct, so they're helping them. I was gonna do baby bird feeding, but there's no baby birds today, but their home is incredible. They have so much freedom, they just choose not to leave. It's so cute. So I'm getting ready to watch the bird show now. It's a very hot day, and yeah. He's so sweet. While I lose my mind, you've been gone for a minute and I can't seem to unwind. I've been going crazy out here, being brave and facing my fears. Always kept me safe, now you disappear. Oh, what would I do without you? Feeling so blue without you. I've been spending all my nights alone. So far guys, this place is like so beautiful and incredible. The amount of birds that are here, they're being well treated as well, I love. I'm just taking a little break because I could not have picked a hot day to come to the bird sanctuary. It is so warm. It's probably like 28 degrees. But obviously you're amongst like this tropical climate. And then we got lots of other stuff to see, but so far I'm really enjoying my day. It's just like a different experience to Bali, and yeah, I think it's a good one to experience as well, to really take it in. Okay guys, so we just saw the other bird show, which like wasn't that special, but like it was still cute because you can see all them birds down there to hold them. But I just ordered some food because I'm hungry. It's 12:30. I just ordered like, oh god, like chicken fingers with chips because it's just like small to have, but it's still very hot today, and I just held like, it was actually so cute. So she did this thing with the parrot and we held her like a baby. I'll put a little picture on here because I can't take any videos when I hold them, so I'll put a little picture like next to me when I'm talking about it. But yeah, I'm like hungry now, so it's time to eat some food. I'll say one thing I actually miss about home, and it's the chicken. I don't know, it's the chicken out here. I've noticed it for a while now. It's very strange. Like, it don't taste like chicken to me. I don't know. It just has this weird flavour, weird texture. That's it. But yeah, that's the only thing I miss about home is literally chicken, because I think our chicken's a bit nicer at home. I don't know, it's really strange. But it's eatable, it's just not very nice in a way. But I'd love to know the chickens they use or what they do to them, because it's a very strange flavour in my opinion. But yeah, I went to the gift shop earlier to get my picture. It's freaking huge and she didn't give me a bag, so I'm just gonna have to cope with it. But Looks like that, just me holding the birds. And I got another one later of me holding the bird like a baby. But I also bought a cute little key ring as like a memory. Little parrot. I just think it's super cute to put on my set keys. Little update, I've extended my stay in Ubud. I was supposed to leave Friday to go to Ahmed, but I knew Ubud would be my favourite place. When I came here 3 weeks ago, I loved it, and I knew I wouldn't want to leave after a week because there's so much to offer. So I've extended my stay until the 27th. I'm pretty sure I'll keep extending it because I know 100% I'll get bored in Ahmed. Like, it's like more like a 3-day trip there because it's all about snorkeling and diving, and there's only so much of that you can do. It's like another version of Padang Bay, something like that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep extending my time here in Ubud. I'm staying in the Arya wellness retreat still. So I've treated myself to vanilla chocolate chip. It kind of looks like ants, like in an ice cream. It looks really strange. Literally such a slut when it comes to like anything biscuit based. So guys, I just got back from the exotic bird park. It's been such an amazing day. 100% recommend going, like, just for a really good day out. On my way out I saw the reptile park, and I will be going there tomorrow because I would have missed all the morning activities today. So I'm gonna go again tomorrow to the reptile park, see the snakes and lizards and Komodo dragons, and have a really good day there again. But for the rest of the day now, I'm just gonna have a pool day. I think I'm gonna get a manicure on my toenails, just getting my feet looking a bit cuter when I leave. Obviously, you know, I extended my stay. I told you that earlier. I'll just get it taken off, but so it doesn't all trip in there. But yeah, the rest of the day now is a pool day, and the next part of this video will be me tomorrow morning going to the reptile park. So yeah.
Dreaming